Are you seriously kidding me? This Black Friday deal is out of this world. Termageddon is the protection you need in your back pocket, especially if you're not sure about your website privacy policies, cookie policies, and loads more. You can get hold of all of this information for $10 a month or $99 if you go for the annual. But why am I here? The Black Friday deal they're giving away is killer. You can have 2 licenses for you and someone else for free. Black Friday deal, the link is in the video description. You've got to click and get this, right? If you're brand new, you haven't used Termageddon before, you can get 2 brand new licenses. Basically, all of that you're getting for free. There's no cost attached, there's nothing to buy, you're completely free. And that's not all. If you did want to get 15 licenses, remember what I said about it being $99 for the year if you wanted all of that? 15 licenses, do the mathematics, at $299 per year. That's under $20 per license. The savings here are unbelievable. Like, what's that? Just over 80%? All I'm going to say is if you want to keep on top of policies and the right side of the law, especially with GDPR and so much going on, you got to make sure you go and get this. I mean, I'm telling you now, 2 free licenses. I've gone and got mine. Why haven't you?
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light.